Today we're learning from Beyonce about what practice really is. Keep watching. Hi everybody, it's Christi Bovee with the Voice Love Company. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell below so you don't miss a single video or when I go live. I'm now creating content just for my Patreon patrons. Are you a Patreon patron? If not, get all those details in the description box below. Now let's get started. So today we're going to celebrate the fact that whatever it is that you're working on is going to take hours and hours and hours of practice. Yay! I know what you're thinking. That doesn't sound fun. But we need to take a note from Beyonce. Yes, the Beyonce, the one, the only. Listen to this quote. Beyonce rehearsed for 8 months for a 2-hour performance. Think about that next time you want something in your business to work right away. It's true in whatever area of study or work you're in. We need to practice to get better at whatever it is we're called to do in this world. All the good stuff that you want to happen in your life doesn't just happen overnight. It's time to accept the fact that it takes work, and then we gotta actually do the work to get there. The fact of the matter is we're wasting our time if we're wishing for quick outcomes. We need to just stop even thinking about that stuff and just get in the practice room, get on the stage, do the thing that we're called to do in this world, and practice. Do it over and over and over until we master it. That's a better use of our time. Becoming great at anything means we put in the sweat equity it takes to really master it. This is not about practice makes perfect. It's about practice makes permanent. You're training your brain, you're training your muscles to remember the things that you are wanting them to do. No matter what, under any circumstances. You do it over and over and over until the result you want sticks. And the fact of the matter is, this is a lifestyle. It's not just something that you just do for one 5-minute session and then expect magic to happen. You have to actually put these practice sessions into your daily life and do them again and again and again. It's you getting up every day and just doing it. Nike was onto something there. It's time to be serious about your craft. It's time to honor the thing that you know you're called to do by putting this precious practice time in every day. You got this. I believe in you. And I'm looking forward to hearing about how your practice is becoming permanent and you're becoming Beyonce great. Well, that's it for me today. Like if you liked it, subscribe, and don't forget to share with someone you know needs a little kick in the pants about practice. You can ask me any question about your voice in the comments down below, on my blog at voicelove.co, on Instagram at the Voice Love Company, and now on wiseo.com. Get all those details in the description box below. I'm celebrating the fact that you're going to pick up your practice this week. The community would really appreciate any ideas that you have, so let us hear from you. Keep finding your voice and making your sound in the world today. The world is waiting for you to show up. And remember, you are loved. Bye, guys.